Banking automation system using blockchain. Nowadays, individual banks store vast amount of user-sensitive data. Sharing this data is highly sensitive and requires a secure sharing medium. So, in this project, we create a secure banking automation system using blockchain. In the existing system, we have used Ieee's algorithm, but in our proposed system, we have used SHA encryption algorithm and blockchain concept. This provides a secure way of transaction. There are three modules: admin, bank and customer module. In the admin module, we can create a bank, view balance and loan details. In the banking module, we can add new customers and encrypt the data. Next, in the customer module, we can able to do money transaction, deposit money and send loan request. Loan request is based on PAN card details of the customer. More than one customer with the same PAN card number cannot avail the loan. So, these are some of the screenshots from the project.